Hello guys, this is your friend the great lobbyist, and I'm back again with another amazing video. After we did the 14-inch form factor gaming laptop from ASUS, it was all perfect and required to do another product which they recently launched, which is TUF Gaming A15, which is 15-inch laptop. Let's start with the unboxing and see what's inside. This is, my friends, ASUS TUF Gaming A15 laptop. ASUS has left no stone unturned in giving this machine the power and the style it needs. Let's turn this on, if it has some battery. And by the time it turns on, I think ASUS has done a brilliant job in putting this. This is AMD Ryzen 9 CPU, which includes 8 cores and 16 threads, paired with GeForce RTX 2016 graphics processor, which ensures absolutely fast and fluid gameplay, and with adaptive sync, which reduces the lag time, minimize the shuttering, and eliminate visual tearing. It's got a very smaller and portable chassis, and this particular, a fortress gray or bonfire black color, and honeycomb pack around the base, which gives it the sturdiness that a gaming laptop or any laptop would need. And the beauty is that it's got this really beautiful matte finish, so avoid getting that dirty fingerprints on top. It's pretty cool. It's great, powerful with the processor power fit. But along with that, it comes with a complete comprehensive keyboard, which with those number crunchers, it's got a number pad on the side. What they've done is they've done very beautifully. They've changed the way the enter looks here. It's pretty nice. It's got a tiny little calculator icon on it, which is pretty cool, I think. From the connectivity on one side of the laptop, you will see two USB 3.2 Gen 1 type ports, and you've got one 3.0 Gen 2 type, and then one Type C port. And along with that, it also offers, the C port also offers G-Sync with the monitors via DisplayPort 1.4 alternate mode, and it's got a dedicated HDMI 2.0 port, which helps you plug in the projectors and external monitors or other big screens as well. Another USB port is provided on the other side for additional connectivity in case you need it. It's got M2 SSD slot, which means you can upgrade the storage and carry more games whenever you're going anywhere. It supports up to 32 GB of dual channel DDR4 3200 memory, which gives A15 to handle everything from serious multitasking, from gaming to video rendering. Basically, you can use this laptop not just for gaming, but for graphic designing and video post-production as well. I'm going to ask them if they can use it for a few more weeks and see I can use them to edit the videos that I'm making today. When it comes to sound, it's got 2 upgraded speakers with 4 cutouts that pump out 1.8 times more sound and a 2.7 times more deeper bass than the previous generations, which means a greater, richer audio experience. NTSC Ultra technology, which delivers great fidelity in a 7.1 channel virtual surround sound environment, a great 3-like audio and with some great preset modes for music, movies, gamings, and other genres that are your favorite. When it comes to gaming laptops, one thing which is absolutely important is the cooling. So that's where ASUS always does a great job. So this particular one, ASUS TUF Gaming A15, they've got multiple heat pipes and 3 heatsink drawers which draw the heat away from the core component and dissipate it quickly, even during intense gaming session. The gaming fans are, of course, self-cleaning to ensure that the device always stays cool and stays strong even with long hours of gaming, specifically now that we are spending more time at home. That means we're spending more time in front of the laptop and playing more games than we used to before. It's got the 3 heatsinks. They keep the performance stable and reliable even during those long gaming sessions, which is pretty amazing. It offers various standard modes. It's got a silent mode, performance mode, turbo mode, and you can set it up the way you want it. Close itself off. Let's turn this on again and look at what it has inside. Here we go. Pretty neat and clean. I'm going to try to go into the settings and see if we can get a screenshot of the system and show it to you what it packs inside. There we go. I think we need a little bit of an upgrade on this one in terms of software, but apart from that, this has got 16 GB of RAM and a very powerful processor and great cooling sound and everything that a gaming laptop needs. Guys, this is TUF Gaming A15 from ASUS, a perfect gaming laptop and a perfect gift for your loved ones in the coming days. You can buy it at a very, very reasonable price of 5,499 dirhams at the stores near you or online through the online channels. Please don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can continue getting these amazing videos from me. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and leave your comments on. If you have any questions regarding this laptop or any other question, any other comment regarding the kind of videos that you would like to see more. And also, we've got some amazing promotion going on right now. If you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and leave a comment on our YouTube channel and our Facebook page and the newly launched Instagram page for a little bit of lifestyle, food and outdoor activities, you get a chance to win some amazing prizes. Please, so don't forget that. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off. Keep yourself safe. Peace.